Introducing the Red Light Therapy Sauna Capsule, featuring 2,352 red and infrared LEDs for healing, skin firming, and detoxification. Set intensity, duration, and choose constant pulsed or breathing mode. To use, place it on the floor and zip the capsule 3/4 closed. Next, use the controllers to enter your treatment settings. Next, work your way into the capsule. It is recommended that you maximize skin exposure, so wear only underwear or remove all clothes. Zip close the remainder of the capsule and continue to slide in all the way until your neck level is at the opening. Tuck your arms inside and relax as the LEDs do their work. When your treatment time is up, simply unzip the capsule and exit. You'll feel great. Use the Red Light Therapy Sauna Capsule for recovery from post-exercise or athletic event, healing skin injuries such as cuts, scrapes, and burns, relief of general body and joint aches and stiffness, improving fine wrinkles and skin firmness, and detoxification via sweating. It's a great wellness care product to own that will benefit you for years to come.